Chris with Willow Ridge Garden Center, and we're talking about our bug day we're having this Saturday, June 24th. But I would like to tell you about a very special plant that we carry, and it's Asclepias or milkweed family, butterfly weed in particular. It is the 2017 perennial plant of the year. And the reason that it is, it's a gorgeous orange flower that you can plant in your sun garden. It's an American native, but it also is the only plant that monarchs will lay their eggs on. So it's very important in the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. So as you can see, we've got some of the plants here. We have handouts for you to take home about it that explains more about growing them. Very easy to grow. Orange flowers. Plant them for the monarchs, help the monarchs and all beneficial insects. Come see us Saturday, June 24th.